So hi guys, I'm standing here in Italy at Venice Beach and it's a little summer holiday with my family. You see the lighthouse behind, great beach, nice here. So I want to give you some quick tips what gear to pack for your summer holidays and to have it really compact. I have just little things with me. I didn't take my Nikon D750 with me because it's too big for me for summer holidays. I'm just here with family. So first of all, I have my XT-2 Fuji cam with me. It's a perfect travel cam for me, so very easy to handle and very compact, good for photos and for videos, so both, and that's important for me to have just one camera for this with me. Then secondly, of course, well, it's for sure my smartphone. So I have an S8 Plus, also great smartphone, great camera. Then of course, good old GoPro Hero 5 I have with me to use in the pool or also in the sea. Don't forget this bubble here to take it with you in the water. I also have a little cover for the GoPro. The GoPro Hero 5 is of course water resistant, so you don't really need that. But if you go to the sea, and I prefer that, if I go here into salted water, I take also this as an additional cover, as additional protection. Listening to music. If you're sitting here on the beach, I have here the Samsung Gear X headphones. So I have them now for about half a year and I have really great experiences with that. So I also use it as a Bluetooth headset and as normal headphones. So that's very important for me. And what is good about that particularly is that I have a high loudness. So you can listen also to the music here on the beach if you have the sea sound around you, people talking. And also inside the car, if you're driving, also has a good loudness, so you can also listen to music and you can also use it as a Bluetooth headset. And a lot of Bluetooth headsets I have tested, I think all of them I have seen so far, they have too little loudness, so you can't really listen to the music and listen to, especially if you use it as Bluetooth headset, listen to other people if you have a phone call. So really compact, nice design. You get this box here, you can charge them with that box. They have a good connection, so very stable Bluetooth connection. I really can recommend them. It's not the best sound, by the way, so you get better Bluetooth headsets with better sound, but for me it was even more important to have a good device that has good stability with Bluetooth, good loudness, maybe not the best sound, but very practical and easy to handle. So my Fuji, I travel with this bag, so it's a roll-eye bag. So you get also some prime lenses in there, a microphone. I have 3 prime lenses with me. I have the camera inside here. I have additional bags here inside. Of course, I also use a gray filter here and de-filter, which is very important if you make long exposure shots of the sea, for example. Prime lens I can really recommend is the 14mm 2.8 from Fuji. I use it with my XT-2. It's really great lens for landscape photography. It has a great sharpness. It's very compact, as you see. It's really great. Well, finally, of course, a power bank, very important. If you have all your devices with you, your smartphone, you have your headphones with you, you have the GoPro, so you have a lot of couple devices. And don't forget USB-C adapter if you have also USB-C devices and also normal USB devices. And finally, I have something very important which was very useful for me. It's so-called PACSAFE. And here you can put in all your belongings like camera, like your smartphones, etc. And you can easily fix it. It also has a lock here which belongs to it. You can fix it and all your belongings are safe at the beach. So with your camera, also the XT-2 fits into it, and my smartphone, my keys, whatsoever. So you put it in there. It's a safe place at the beach, so I have made really great experiences with it. So for all devices and products, I will put down the links below in the details. So now thank you very much for watching. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I also am happy about any like, thumbs up that they give me for this video. And finally, I wish you also a very nice summer, hopefully with a lot of summer holidays, a lot of great pictures with your family, with your friends, whatsoever. So all the best, have a great time, see you next time, thank you, bye.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we're wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the without you, and I couldn't really make you stay, so what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never